What would really happen if you did 50 squats every single day? No weights, no machines, just your body and a bit of consistency. In this video, we'll break down exactly what changes, when you'll feel them, and why this simple habit might be worth starting today. Stick around till the end. Most people miss the most important part. Squats are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises you can do. They work your legs, glutes, core, and even your lower back. And the best part is, you can do them anywhere, anytime. So what happens when you stick to 50 squats a day? In the first week, expect soreness in your quads and glutes. That's your muscles being challenged and rebuilt stronger. By week 2, your legs start feeling more stable and powerful. Climbing stairs feels easier, movements feel smoother, and your glutes begin to tighten and lift. By the third week, consistency kicks in. Your balance improves, your coordination sharpens, and your endurance skyrockets. After a full month, 50 squats a day will feel natural. Your legs will be stronger, your glutes more defined, and your posture better thanks to improved core strength and hip alignment. But here's the truth. 50 squats a day won't turn you into a bodybuilder. If you want serious size or strength, you'll eventually need extra resistance, like dumbbells, barbells, or resistance bands. Still, daily bodyweight squats build a solid foundation. They improve mobility, flexibility, and blood flow, keeping your knees, hips, and ankles strong and healthy. And there's one more benefit people rarely mention: confidence. When you move better, feel stronger, and stay consistent, you naturally gain control over your body, and that confidence spills into every part of your life. So should you start doing 50 squats a day? Absolutely. It's a simple habit with massive long-term benefits. If 50 feels like too much, break it into smaller sets. Already strong? Push for 75 or 100. The secret is staying consistent. If you found this helpful, drop a like and tell us in the comments, how many squats are you doing today? Subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness tips and challenges right here on Muscle Guide. Remember, small actions done daily lead to big results.